In a significant ruling, the U.S. Supreme Court has decided that former President Donald Trump has absolute immunity for actions that fall within his core constitutional powers. The 6-3 decision, which followed ideological lines, clarified that while Trump is immune from prosecution for his official duties, he is not protected for unofficial acts. However, the court has sent the case back to a trial judge to determine which of Trump's actions were official and thus protected. This move likely delays any potential trial for Trump until after the 2024 election. If Trump wins the election, he could potentially direct the Justice Department to drop the charges or attempt to pardon himself in the federal cases pending against him. Chief Justice John Roberts, writing for the majority, acknowledged the unprecedented nature of the case. He criticized the lower courts for their expedited decisions and stated that they failed to adequately distinguish between Trump's official and unofficial actions. Roberts pointed out that some allegations, such as Trump's conversations with the acting attorney general, fall under his official duties and thus grant him immunity. The decision to send the case back to trial Judge Tanya Chutkan means that there will be no immediate trial on the election interference charges. Judge Chutkan had previously indicated that preparing for trial would take several months, and now she must also determine which charges can proceed under the new Supreme Court ruling. Justice Sonia Sotomayor, in her dissent, argued that the majority's decision essentially shields former presidents from criminal liability, undermining the principle that no one is above the law. She criticized the ruling for reshaping the presidency and granting Trump more immunity than he requested. The Supreme Court's decision follows months of deliberation after agreeing to hear the case in February and scheduling arguments for April. Critics have noted the contrast between the swift handling of past presidential power cases, such as the 1974 ruling against President Richard Nixon, and this year's quick decision that states could not bar Trump from the ballot, compared to the prolonged process in Trump's case. This ruling not only impacts Trump's immediate legal battles, but also sets a precedent for the extent of presidential immunity, raising questions about accountability and the balance of power within the government. Join our community of informed citizens, subscribe to your daily dose of news, and be part of the conversation.